Uche, my man. Thank God you finally decided to see me. I have been coming to your office. Your secretary has been telling me different stories. At last, I have seen you today. Money is good, oh. You're looking really fresh. Don't be angry with me, my friend. I have been very busy. You know the life of a billionaire. It is not easy. It is from one meeting to another. Even today that you managed to see me, today is my giveaway day, where I give some millions to the poor masses. All those people you see at the reception, they are the poor masses. They come here and tell me their problem, and I try to punch in a few millions into their account.
70 years old man.
Oh, I can see there's a woman behind you. Go ahead and attend to her. There's no problem. I'll wait.
Crypto billionaire, sir. I am one of the poor masses that came to see you. Please, my husband and I, we are civil servants. And for the past 6 months, federal government has not paid our salary. Things have been really tough. We don't have food stuff. We don't have cash. Our 3 children, they will soon resume school. Please, we need money. Kindly help us.
Why do federal government treat the civil servants like this? This is very annoying. And you and your husband, both of you, you sleep, you face one direction. Both of you working as civil servant. Your husband should have been a businessman or something. Not to worry. There is no challenge. I will punch in 3.2 billion into your account. I hope that will be enough to buy foodstuff for you and your children.
That will be so lovely. Thank you so much. God bless you, the billionaire. God bless you.
Ngwano, there is no challenge. Tell the next person to come inside.
The billionaire, sir. The crypto billionaire. Please, I am here as usual. You know it's every year that you see my face. I have come again. As usual, my wife is pregnant. Yes, she's pregnant with our 7th child. She's about to give birth. She's in the labor room now. The doctors said that she cannot have a normal delivery, that is going to be through operation. And me, I don't have money. That's why I decided to quickly run down here so that you will assist me as usual. Please.
You know, say you be idiot. Are you normal? I just want you to fool yourself.
7 children, and you got married 7 years ago, meaning that every year you are sending your wife to the labor room.
Not be juju be that.
Any small cold weather, you are on top of your wife doing ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
You be mumu.
The energy with which you do ta-ta-ta in the bedroom, if you put it into your work, you will not be one of the poor masses coming here to beg me for money. My brother, keep your libido in check. I will punch in 1.2 billion into your account. That should take care of your wife's hospital bill.
This is plain.
I am done for today. Go and tell the rest of the poor masses outside to go and come back next week. I have a visitor here I want to discuss with. Thank you.
Uchenna, I am very proud of you. I like the way you are always assisting the poor people. God will bless you. I have come here to also ask you for some help.
How many times would they tell you?
You are a very good friend of mine. And you were the one that taught me how to trade crypto. Now the whole world call me the crypto billionaire. But they do not know that you are the one that taught me how to trade this crypto. So there is no challenge that you bring to me that I will not solve with all my mind. Just tell me, how many billions do you need? Let me punch it into your account immediately.
Are you playing? What type of
Thank
playing is
God
this?
that you have admitted that I was the one that taught you how to trade crypto. I did not come here to ask you for fish, Uchenna. I came here so that you will tell me the secret strategy that you are using to trade this crypto, that you are cashing out, buying real estate, traveling abroad every time, buying expensive chain. Look at the gold chain on your neck. That gold chain can change my life. I trade crypto
on an exchange, the small profit I make, the exchange will take all as charges. I will be left with little or nothing. Nothing is working. Sometimes I'm not even motivated to trade. My wife will piss me off. I will go to the market with that anger. I will lose money. I am tired of crypto trading. How are you doing is that you are cashing out. Look at your chain, one. Look at your chain.
One day, I have the whole crypto world on lockdown.
I agree with you. With this chain on your neck, you can lock down anything. Yes, lockdown, total lockdown. This chain can lock anything.
Why are you surprised that I have this expensive gold chain? What is in my name? There is a chain inside my name. My parents, they were highly philosophical and prophetic. My name is Uchen.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Uchen. Uchenna. You see, there is chain inside my name. And this chain is not an ordinary chain. It also has to do with the crypto. You know that in crypto, we say blockchain. So I use block money, billions, to buy this chain. That is why it is called a blockchain. Or more, I am the crypto billionaire. You want to learn my strategy? I will teach you because you are a very good friend of mine.
Crypto billionaire, you need to help me. You need to help me. Anytime I trade, my exchange takes all my profits through charges. Sometimes my emotion also gets in the way. Some days, I'm so tired, I'm not motivated. But, I have to pay the bills. I'll force myself into the market. Then I will incur losses. Tell me what strategy you are using so that I can start cashing out like you, my brother, please.
Our elders say, if you want to go fast, you walk alone. But if you want to go far, you walk in company of others. Crypto trading is not what you can be doing alone by yourself every time. One day you need a little bit of help. Because sometimes your madam would annoy you. You carry that annoyance. You enter market. Obago. You lose all your money. Sometimes you wake up on the wrong side of the bed, feeling unmotivated. You carry that lack of motivation into the market. Obago. All your money will waste away. As for me, what I do is copy trading. There is this very good Ubunge crypto exchange that offers social trading option. They list some of the best crypto traders in the whole world. They assemble them down. All their strategies are listed there. All you need to do is to just click copy. Whatever trade they take is automatically taken for you. All you need to do is just come and look at your profit smiling at you. That is the secret why you see that today I'm in Dubai. Tomorrow I'm in Belgium, enjoying myself, and trades are being taken on my behalf. Because I cannot do it alone. This is what they call leverage.
Wow. So there's an exchange, a crypto exchange, that has copy trading, social trading incorporated into them. Wow, seems interesting. What are some of the other features that this particular crypto exchange have?
This particular crypto exchange, they are very, very good. Their charges are very small. Very small. One day, you will need a microscope to even see their charges.
Not be juju be that.
Those are the charges I call bacteria charges because they are invisible. This platform, they charge small money that you won't even notice it in your profit. They are available in over 100 countries of the world. They are duly registered and licensed in Canada, Australia, and America.
Their social trading platform is their selling point. People that know next to nothing in crypto are cashing out on their social trading platform. Can you imagine? My wife's grandmother, Nene, yesterday, she made $500 from social trading.
Only you waka come. Okay.
Wow. Your wife's grandmother, who is almost 90 years old, could still make money from this social trading platform. Wow. I think it is time I run away from my exchange that is using charges to kill me to join this exchange. Please, one day, tell me the name so that I can register immediately.
You think say they wise?
Look in the description of this video. I will not mention their name like that. It is a secret. For your ears only. Look in the description. Click on the link and use the invite code there to register. You will get a huge discount from your first deposit if you use my link. If, for instance, Binance is being a nuisance, messing up your finance, in this circumstance, take your destiny in your hands for once. Look in the description. Register. Start cashing out now.
Oshe Uchenna has become a rapper. Thank you very much for the information. I will sign up. And very soon, I will start cashing out like you. As I am living here right now, as I'm getting up, I am going straight to the description of this video. I will use the link. And as soon as I register, I will do my KYC. And I will fund immediately. And I will start cashing out from this crypto exchange. Thank you, one day. Bye-bye.